Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and it's been a while since I've posted my last video. The last video that I posted was actually our Japan trip. I think that was the Mario World in Universal Studios, and I think I still do have some videos that I wasn't able to upload yet, but let me think about them because I'm not sure where is the memory card for some of those videos. But of course, today I am making another video because I just recently purchased a new bag, and this is the Samsonite RFID backpack. So the reason why I got this is because I needed a small bag. If you know me, I love using sling bags whenever I go out to bring Orion to school or everywhere. So I only use small bags, and I don't normally use big bags because I hate bringing big bags, except if Gianna is with us or there's a separate bag that will have Gianna's necessities like diapers, wipes, etc. But of course, I needed a bag, and I thought that having a waist bag is a nice idea, especially for moms like me who only brings phones, wallets, or some stuff, small stuff, every time we go out. And I saw this in an IG store, store which is based in LA or in the US, but they do have here in the Philippines. They have a branch or a house here in the Philippines, so they normally ship the products or the items here, and then their staff here will ship it nationwide here in the Philippines. So there. So I saw it, and I think I waited for like a month for it to be shipped to me. So they said that it will be between 2 to 3 weeks, but of course there were just Philippine holidays came in like Holy Week, so it was only delivered after the Holy Week to their Bataan home. So there, and I was so excited to use this, even if there are still tags on it. I already put some of my things inside just to see how much this waist bag can hold. Alright, so again, this is a Samsonite waist bag. So there, if you're gonna see it, it's there. I'm not sure if it's on their website as well, but they normally buy the items in outlet stores, because when my husband went to the US, he was able to get my sister a Samsonite backpack, the one that I used during our Japan trip. So that was my hand carry because I needed to put my laptop inside, and he was also able to get a Tumi wallet for my sister as well, for my other sister. And that time I didn't think about getting a Samsonite or a travel bag because I'm just not fond of, you know, backpacks or what. But right now, when I bought this, I was thinking of getting a backpack, like a Samsonite travel backpack as well, or like a Tumi backpack that I can use when traveling. So there. And as you can see, this is actually a nylon type. This is a nylon type of fabric, so it's very nice. And there is like a small leather patch here at the bottom. It is an RFID waist pack, so honestly, I'm not sure what an RFID thing is. My other sister just told me that it's nice if you are using an RFID bag because your cards won't be duplicated. something like that. Just correct me in the comment if I'm wrong, but that's how I understand it. So there is the brand. it's in gold hardware, so everything here is gold. And this is the strap. So this can be worn in 4 different ways. You can wear it as a waist pack. You can also wear it in your shoulders like this. And you can also wear it as a sling, so you just have to adjust the strap here. And you can also, of course, wear it as a bum bag. Okay, so there. So as you can see, there are 2 zipper compartments. This one is the pocket. So the pocket side here, so you can see there RFID. So RFID protected. The inner is also nylon fabric, and as you can see, I think it's color lilac or pinkish, something like that. So I might try to put on my Furla card holder. This one, my my cute little coin purse that I bought in Japan, and some mints here. So you can put a lot actually on this pocket alone. So there's so much space in here. And for the bigger compartment, this one, you can put definitely a lot here. I can put my phones in here. So I just put some of my things here inside. So the car keys, lip balm that I also bought from Japan, essential oil, a pen. But of course, the compartment is too big, so you can put, I think, around 2 phones inside if it's not too heavy, and passports. So it's very nice to use when you're traveling. You can just use it as you can put it on your chest, because I saw a lot of people using their waist pack as a chest bag as well. So, and the strap, so there are two adjustments here at the strap, so you can adjust it here or at the other side. And this is where you open the lock if you're gonna use it as a bum bag or a waist pack. And there, just adjust the strap so you can use it as a sling bag or a chest bag. There you have it. I actually purchased it from Shoppers online boutique for 3,250 pesos, and plus 120 I think, or 125 for the shipping fee, via local shipping fee via JNT Express. So they ship it for free, air ship, because they ship a lot of items in the Philippines through boxes. So there, it's so nice, it's pretty nice. That's why I'm so excited to use it. I haven't removed the tag yet. And if you are in the United States, I believe you can also register the Samsonite product, or the Samsonite items that you have purchased. You can register it since you are living in the United States. But since I'm here in the Philippines, I won't be able to register it because I don't have a US address, or I don't have a US contact number. So you can only register it if you have a US contact number to protect your investment. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're planning to buy a Samsonite waist pack, RFID waist pack, you go ahead and buy one. It's so nice, it's so sleek, and you can use it every day. It's an everyday bag, and you can use it when traveling as well, of course. And if you are using a different brand of waist pack, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.